Take Airsoft to a whole new level with the Echo One CAW M79 Airsoft BB launcher. Much like a shotgun when fired, the M79 creates a spread of BBs that is both intimidating and awesome. The CAW M79 uses standard green gas BB launcher shells and can fire at 300 to 360 feet per second with 20-gram BBs. It even includes one 30-round reusable shell to get you started. The gun features durable ABS plastic construction along with fixed front and rear sights. Impress your friends and family and terrify your enemies in the airsoft field. Click the Buy Now button to get this gun along with all the needed ammo and accessories only at AirgunDepot.com.